Hey guys, welcome back to the channel Achieving Online Freedom. In this video today, I'm going to show you how to delete your Gmail or Google profile from your main page on the Google app. It is very simple and takes no time at all. Just want to let you know, make sure to like and subscribe if you actually enjoy the video. But let's go ahead and get started. The first thing you want to do is go ahead and head over to your Google app. Once you're here, you want to click on your icon in the top right corner. And then you want to click on the arrow on the right side of where your name is. And then at the bottom where it shows all your accounts, it's going to say add another account. Use this app without an account or manage accounts on this device. You want to go ahead and click manage accounts on this device. You'll then be brought to this page. From here, all you need to do is select remove from this device. So when you do that, this account will no longer show on your Google app. You can do this with any of your accounts. You can also add accounts, and that's at the very bottom of the screen. And that's how you get rid of accounts on your actual Google app. So I hope this video did help you. If it did, please make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subs by the end of the year, and I cannot do it without your help. Just want to say thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.